Hello, my name is Suleiman Garo. Welcome to our third video in Linux shells and and scripts. In today's video, we are going to learn how to delete a directory and files with just one click. In our previous video, we have learned how to create a multiple files and multiple directory with just one click. We are intending files or directory. We are going to check how many directory we have created before and how many folder we have created in this training file or directory. Let's set ls. This is we have created three files and two directories. In order to delete a directory called logo, how can we do this? We are going to use a command called rm means remove, and dir, like how I said, is mean directory, remove directory. We are going to say I called our directory name, which is logos. We are going to delete, let's say, logos, and click enter. Our logos delete successfully. Let's check if we let's check for our directory if delete successfully. Let's do this. Yeah, our directory logos deleted successfully. This is how to delete a directory using command, using Linux command. Our second things, we are going to learn how to delete a files, uh, how to delete a file in a Linux shells. We are going to use rm command. Rm command help you to delete a files, only files, not directory, only files help you to delete a file. Let's do this. Let's try deleting a script.js. We are going to use rm and call our files called script.js. Let's click enter. After that, our script.js deleted successfully. Let's check. Yeah, everything done successfully. Our next thing we are going to do is echo. What echo means? Echo is display agreement to the screen. It helps you to display agreement to the screen. How? I know you will say, how can it display agreement to a screen or any text? Let's try this command and see. Echo help you to say, let's say, hello world. Let's click enter. It display our hello world here. This is how echo mean to works. This is the end of our video. In our next video, we are going to learn new thing, new command, new Linux command. This is the end of our video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, like our video, and drop a comment if you have any question. Thank you.